The Nikon Z5 stands as an inviting gateway into the world of full-frame photography, delivering a blend of professional-grade features and user-friendly design at a price that appeals to both enthusiasts and those stepping up from crop sensor cameras. Introduced in July 2020, the Z5 was Nikon's answer to a growing demand. A robust, capable, and affordable mirrorless camera that doesn't compromise on the essentials. While it is positioned as an entry-level model within Nikon's Z-mount lineup, the Z5 impresses by packing many of the capabilities found in more expensive bodies, making it a compelling option for a wide variety of photographers. Starting with its design and construction, the Z5 exudes a sense of durability and purpose. The body is crafted from magnesium alloy, and it is fully weather-sealed, giving photographers the confidence to shoot in challenging environments, be it rain-drenched landscapes, dusty trails, or bustling urban streets. The grip is deep and contoured, offering comfort for long shooting sessions, while the control layout is both intuitive and customizable. Dual command dials, an AF joystick for quick focus point selection, and well-placed buttons ensure that changing settings is second nature, whether you're composing through the 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder or using the tilting touchscreen on the back. One of the Z5's standout features is its dual UHS-2 SD card slots, a rarity at this price point. This gives users flexibility for overflow storage, instant backups, or separating file types, which is particularly valuable for those shooting important events or working professionally. The battery life is also worth noting. Using the Eon EL15C battery, the Z5 is rated for approximately 470 shots per charge, a solid figure for a mirrorless camera, and it supports USB-C charging for on-the-go power, a feature appreciated by travelers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Image quality is at the heart of any camera, and the Z5 delivers on this front with a 24.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. While this sensor isn't backside illuminated like the one in the Z6, it nonetheless produces sharp, detailed images with rich color and impressive dynamic range at base ISO. The camera handles noise well up to ISO 3200, and even at higher sensitivities, images remain usable for many applications. While some critics point out that noise becomes more apparent beyond ISO 800, many seasoned photographers will recognize that the Z5's files are more than capable for both web and print, especially with thoughtful post-processing. Paired with high-quality Z-mount lenses, such as the acclaimed 50mm f1.8s, the Z5's sensor shines, capturing the subtle nuances and textures that make full-frame photography so rewarding. A key advantage over many competitors is the Z5's 5-axis in-body image stabilization, providing up to 5 stops of compensation. This enables handheld shooting in low light and allows for creative freedom with slower shutter speeds, without the need for a tripod. For photographers accustomed to Nikon's vast F-mount ecosystem, the Z5's compatibility with the FTZ adapter means that a treasure trove of legacy lenses remains fully usable, making the transition to mirrorless less daunting and more economical. Autofocus is another area where the Z5 performs admirably, employing a 273-point hybrid system that covers approximately 90% of the frame. Face and eye detection work reliably for both humans and pets, making it a great choice for portraiture and candid moments. Autofocus is generally fast and accurate, though it's worth acknowledging that in low-light situations or when tracking erratically moving subjects, the system can lag behind higher-end models like the Z6 or Z6 III. For most enthusiasts, particularly those focusing on landscapes, portraits, or travel, the Z5's autofocus is more than sufficient. But action and wildlife photographers may find its tracking limitations a reason to consider more advanced options. In terms of performance, the Z5 offers a continuous shooting speed of 4.5 frames per second, which is modest compared to models like the Z6. This lower burst rate, combined with a limited buffer, means the Z5 isn't tailored for fast action or sports photography. However, for genres where timing is less critical, such as landscapes, street photography, or studio work, this limitation is unlikely to be a deal-breaker. The camera's responsiveness in everyday use, coupled with a familiar, easy-to-navigate menu system and the convenience of touch controls, contribute to a smooth and enjoyable shooting experience. When it comes to video, the Z5 makes some compromises. While it can record 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second, it does so with a significant 1.7x crop, reducing the field of view and impacting both stabilization and low-light performance. Full HD video at up to 60 frames per second is available without cropping, but the absence of advanced features like 10-bit output or N-Log profiles limits its appeal for serious videographers. The presence of microphone and headphone jacks is a plus for those who occasionally record video or create time-lapse sequences, but hybrid shooters looking for robust video capabilities may find more suitable options in the Z6 or Sony's A7 lineup. In the broader context of the market, the Z5's value proposition is clear. Its closest rivals, the Canon EOS RP and Sony A7 III, each have their strengths, but the Z5 stands out for offering both in-body stabilization and dual card slots, features often missing from competitors at this price. As prices have fallen since launch, the Z5 has become an even more attractive entry point into the full-frame realm, especially for those who already own Nikon glass. With the arrival of the Nikon Z5 II, some of the original model's limitations have been addressed, including improved autofocus, a faster burst rate, better video specs, and a fully articulating screen. However, the higher price of the newer model means the original Z5 remains an outstanding choice for those whose needs are focused on stills and who appreciate the value offered by a proven, reliable camera. In summary, the Nikon Z5 offers an exceptional balance of image quality, handling, and practical features, all wrapped in a robust and thoughtfully designed body. It's an ideal camera for enthusiasts, portrait artists, landscape photographers, and those upgrading from older or crop sensor Nikons. While it isn't the fastest or most advanced camera in Nikon's lineup, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses for the majority of stills-focused photographers. For anyone seeking a dependable, affordable, and enjoyable full-frame mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z5 deserves serious consideration.